Hello and namaskar.
Sir, can you remove the mask?
Oh, I'm sorry. This has almost become a part of my dressing up. Okay, once again, hello and namaskar. I'm Pradeep Dikshit from Pune, and I extend my hearty welcome to all the participants, delegates, judges, everyone for the 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival. Basic motivation for me to make this documentary film was a social worker and tour operator Veena Gokhale, who runs a unique exhibition called Dene Samajache, which she is conducting for last 15 years, where she gives stalls to selected NGOs to collect, to meet people, show their work and collect donations. And to support this, she has a tour company from where, and that is also for senior citizens. And over the last 15 years, she has donated around 5 crore rupees to 165 NGOs. And I thought this needs to be documented. And I thought that since this is a film about a social worker, people should participate. And therefore, I decided to make this as a crowd-funded documentary film. Well, honestly, I didn't face any roadblocks as such, for the simple reason that this is not my first crowd-funded documentary film. This is my second crowd-funded documentary film. The earlier was made on textile strike, where I did the same thing. I went to people and said that as long as we are wearing clothes, we are connected to this textile strike. And I raised fund from all the film industry people. As far as the challenges are concerned, it's again all of us who are facing this problem of pandemic. Because after completing the film, I could not promote this film. I could not send this film to festivals because of lot of problems, lot of issues. That was the biggest hurdle I have faced during all this. But as a blessings in disguise was this. I took an opportunity because Veena Gokhale continued this festival during the pandemic. So I could add that film or sort of refresh my film with that particular segment, that even 15 years afterwards, when this problem came, she continued the exhibition online. And I took this as a blessings in disguise and completed the film. Otherwise, I must really take this opportunity to thank my all donors, well-wishers, my students, everyone who came forward. And I think this inspiration was more than me. It was Veena Gokhale's work which has spread over. People know her. They came, they put money, they gave me the resources, everything. As I said, though this was a documentary, but this was not a sort of live coverage or event coverage. And being a graduate of Film Institute in script writing, I don't go for a film unless my complete script is ready. So for me, this was absolutely what I had thought, what I had planned, and accordingly everything was designed. Target audience for my film is basically those who would like to do some social work, those people who would like to donate for some good cause and don't know how to go about it. And I think Veena Gokhale is a greatest inspiration and a platform she has created for last 15 years, where the donors who would like to see that whatever donation they give reaches for the right cause to the right people, and the donor and the NGOs who are seeking for funds for their projects and don't know how to go about it. So this is the platform which I wanted to create, that people after seeing this film should get motivated to conduct such exhibitions. My future plans to promote this film is definitely, first of all, to thank the 11th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival who have accepted my film. I hope all other festivals, national and international festivals, will do the same gesture. So my film reaches to different people, different festivals, and then market this film to different agencies, put it to YouTube, send it to festivals. And essentially, since I am a media professional and media teacher, I would like to show this film to different colleges, different educational institutes, especially social, those who are doing are into social teaching. documentary filmmaker is always an ever young person, and he never gets too old to advise people as to how they should go about it. But still, one thing I can tell you with my experience, that once you have an idea, that idea should become your life, it should become your mission, it should become your passion. Don't think about the budget. First, think of a concept and idea and go mad after it. And people will find such mad people. Well, I'm in fact very honored that my film is selected for the Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival. And secondly, I feel it's my attitude of gratitude to this great veteran, the founder of film in our country, because many of you perhaps may not know that Dadasaheb Phalke also made documentaries. Very few people know. People know him by his all films like Raja Harishchandra and all that. But in Pune that time there was a glass factory called Ogle Glass Factory, and he was the first to make a documentary film. So he's also a person who was a documentary filmmaker, and to me it's my opportunity to express my attitude of gratitude that I may not be a I may not be a feature filmmaker like him, but I followed his footsteps in making a documentary film.